Love being back in LA, hitting up one of my favorite spots. Way out in the Nike community store Watts, where they do have 30% off the back wall, which is interesting because East LA just had 40%. Kind of interesting. Finding some Kobe Elites, Kobe 9 Elites. These are size, what size is this? Size 9? Size 7, 8.5. To be able to get 30% off, pretty freaking dope. Got Jordan 1 Chinese New Year's. These are a low. These are pretty freaking clean, dude. See a couple of size 9s to be able to get 30% off, 140. Not bad at all. Not seeing a ton of refurbs. I'm always looking for refurbs here. Got some Christmas LeBrons right here. LeBron 22 Christmas. 85, you get another 30 off. That is a crazy insane price. They have a size 10.5. Ooh, 10.5. I got my size 11 in the car. Do got my size 11 in the car. But I need a size up. I like having a box top though. Found a refurb right here, size 11. Pegasus plus $90. What's that? Drop this down to what? $67? $67 for Pegasus Plus. These are size 11. Jumping over to the women's. I see more refurbs in the women's, so I'm gonna check out the bigger sizes. I only got refurbs at the size 11. Dang it, I don't see any size 12s for refurbs. Dang nabbit. So much for the women's size. All right, let's finish up the 10.5s in the men. Speaking of, it looks like these just made it out the aisles. Yeah, 30% off, 140. It's probably, that is under $100. That's not bad. Seems like they got these in quite a few sizes. Take one at 4s, $55. 11 Luca 3s right here, $70 for these bad boys right here. This colorway of refurb go for $78. Mortalities go for $53. Looks like these are all extended sized as well. DMs go for $80, size 10. Books right here go for $85. Jordan 4 RMs, $140. Jordan 1 Hot Pollen Golf right here, $190 still. That's definitely a surprise. Lunar Rome, size 9, $80. I got them in size 10 as well. See the Kobe Elite at size 8 as well. Alright, let's go see what's up with the clearance apparel section where you get 30% off here as well. Back to where I know my sizing and stuff like that. I remember in Korea, it was Asian sizing, so stuff just didn't fit properly. $40. I did find that tech fleece for hella cheap, but just didn't fit. But yeah, $40 for the running pullover right there, 30 off on top. Is this supposed to be in the men's? Oh, that's no way that's a men's, right? Yeah, women's tank top go for $35. Rams t-shirts right here, these are mediums, go for $45. Charger shirts right here go for $25. Zion jersey, this is a large, $32. What's up with this tech fleece right here, $135 still. Dang, dude. Dang. I have a couple of smalls at home and I did try them on. They fit way differently than they did in the ones in Korea. I was like watching the video while I was editing it and I was trying on my tech fleece because I was like, dude, that's not just in my head, right? No, it was way different. $60 for these jogging pants. Nike cargo pants right here, $57. That is Sparks. Hoodie right here, $80. Jordan jacket, kind of a puffer jacket, $75 normally. $80, get another $30 on top. That's not bad. Way too white though. I get everything dirty. Jacket, tech fleece jacket, $135. They're definitely not getting rid of the tech fleece for hella cheap. This is a tech pack jacket. It's like a windbreaker. These are go for $100. Got multiple. These are smalls. Jordan hoodie, $60. This is nice, really nice material. And yeah, $60. Normally $120. So 60, 30% off on top. Damn. ACG right here, $180 for that fleece right there. And just like a bunch of t-shirts and stuff. All right, let's finish off the back wall. Does it look like someone just took off with a pair right there? But yeah, I see multiple of these. I see another size 8. But yeah, let's go finish off the back wall. We did see some extended size pricing, so let's take a look at that. Next gen LeBron's down here. Okay, like a army green pair right here. These bad boys going for 95. Number 30 off the back wall right now. $100 for the Jordan 4 RMs. This one shows 110. Yeah, this one shows 99, right? Yep. Got Witnesses, $55, another 30 off. That makes those hella cheap. Air Force 2, rarely ever see these. Air Force 3, my bad. Air Force 3, $155 for these bad boys. I've never seen these before. I've seen the 1s and 2s, but yeah, never those. $155, dude. I have a pair of KD 18s right here already. EYBL colorway. I'm so not a fan of these. I haven't been a fan of KDs in a while, to be honest, though. 170, size 17. Court Visions 40. Yeah, not much in the bigger sizes. That's about it. Dunks right here, size 13. $90 for those. All right, let's knock out the smaller sizes. Got these right here, Infinity 4s go for $100. I've seen many refurbs at all. Size 8 Cosmic Unity 3s go for $85. Pegasus 41 Premium. This ain't that's not a premium. What the hell? These are just regular Pegasus. I definitely would have liked to check out a premium. And at $80, I probably would have bought that premium. That's not a premium though, right? Oh, you know what? No, because they started that after the 41s. Never mind. I just saw the Vomero Premium, and dude, those look sick as hell as well. Even more comfortable than the Pegasus Premium. I'm gonna have to check that out. But yeah, dude, got these right here. Pegasus Trail 5 Gore-Tex. These are going for what, $80? Remember, you do get that 30 off on top. All right, let's finish off the clearance apparel. Dude, got a couple racks that I did miss. Mostly shorts right here. A lot of fleece shorts, and they're pretty short. $30 for those. Basketball shorts, got like that baseball type of stitching on it. These are going for $30. Got super long shorts right here. These are for hoops. $25 for those. Running shorts right here. We saw these are really expensive. $55, not too bad, I guess. After the 30 off. Does have reflective material so you don't get run over. What are these? Are these golf shorts right here? Are these golf or something? I don't know. But yeah, these are going for $50. Summer, we've seen Tech Fleece go for way cheap. This has bottoms only, 40% off. Right here, 70 and 40 off on top. Kind of a weird color. They got some black ones right here, but the 40% off sign's gone on the other side. 30% off right here. But yeah, it's just t-shirts. Just t-shirts. Los Angeles t-shirts, $25. Yeah, they're just t-shirts, dude. All right, let's check out the aisles. Well, we got some Take 1 4s. Why not 0.4s? It's like 3 years old or something. Not like the 6s or something, right? Luka 3s. And then a bunch of non-signature Jordans. Almost the entire wall. Got some budget LeBrons. I think these are even cheaper. These are some next gens, but these are cheaper. Those you can match with your MPLS color stuff. That's actually a hell of a price. Holy crap, that's actually really nice. Another next gen right here. Those were the amped ones. I think that's the second gen. These are the first gen. Some Ja Rules. Immortality 3s. Seeing if any of these are extended size price. Nah. Damn, this one's pretty cheap. $35. Oh wait, I have to buy one of these. I have to buy one of these for somebody. One of the kids I play hoops with, he plays with like dunks, dude. So I'm like, you know what? If I find anything really cheap, I'm just gonna grab them for him. This is it, dude. This is it. $35 and then another 30% off. That comes out to what, like 22 bucks or something? Yeah, it hurt me because that fool's good. That fool's really good, and he plays Like he tried out for his high school team and stuff like that. Didn't make it. Yeah, I'm gonna grab these from him. I can't see that fool playing in dunks and stuff like that. So wait, hold up. I know he wears a size 11, and obviously Nike basketball. They've been fitting weird and stuff. So I'm gonna try these. These are size 10.5. These fit me fine, and the 11 should fit him. Damn, these 10.5s are a little tight, dude. Yeah, they're a little tight. Maybe I should buy those in 11.5. Yeah, I'll grab these 11.5s right here for that fool. Damn, I don't even know his name. I should at least know his name, huh? Kind of dumb, dude. Yeah, I'm wearing the size 11. You got to go up half a size on these, so I'm gonna grab the 11.5s for this fool. I guess I'm gonna have to learn his name. He told me his name a while back, but I forgot. Whatever. So yeah, size 11.5. Just too cheap. And you got Immortality 4s, SE Jordan 1s, regular ones right here. Mid SEs go for cheaper than the lows. Got Lunar Roams right here, Heritage Volks. Got some generic stuff. Some Mach Flow undercovers, going for way cheap. Then size 11 and above, look at that, $40, and then you get another 25 or 30 off, my bad. You got column slides, going for 30 off. And just some regular, what are these, the Benassi slides right here. Got some GT Hustle Academy, some budget version of the GT Hustles. Okay, I didn't even know the midsole's hard as hell on these, goddamn. Got the Cortez right here. I have to check to see if they do the extended set pricing on these. These are the Forrest Gumps, man, classic colorway. Omeros going down. Yeah, I did check both of them to see if they have extended size pricing. Nope. P6000s. People have been telling me how comfortable these are. Super light as well. And dude got some Lunar Roams right here. Air Max 2017s. Some Dunks right here. And then look at this. This is extended size price. This is the suede ones right here. And look at this. $53. You get another 30% off on top. Wow. Wow. That's only size 11 too. Oh wait. Size 13 right there. Then workout and running shoes, pretty generic stuff. Nothing really worth showing you guys. Wait. What's going on over here? What's going on over here? Size 10. But yeah, no additional discount. This is a women's too. Why do they have the women's over here? The women's Invincible runs. 130 is a little more than I want to pay too. Gonna go check out the women's and kids in a sec. See what I got on feet. Jordan 11. These are the 7210 lows. Yeah, grab these for I think $100 at outlets. Damn, mirrors dirty as hell. All right, I changed mirrors. Oh yeah, they look so much cleaner. They changed mirrors. And then yeah, I'm not a Minnesota fan, but I'm a Kevin Garnett fan. Loved Kevin Garnett. That fool was always talking trash. So did grab these semi-annual clearance sale, which is going on right now at Lids. I did grab these hella cheap at Lids. I want to say I got this for like $21, something like that. This jersey, it is Swingman. So I'm gonna go check out some Lids right after this, actually. Checking the women's clearance section. $80 for Metcon 9s. These are gently worn. Zoomfly 5, slightly imperfect. Zoomfly's great. They call them like budget racing shoes. $85. Gamma Forces size 9, $45. Slightly imperfect, so check your pair if you get one of those. $75 for the Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. Remember, you can get 30% off the back wall. Air Max DNs right here, $95. This is a grade school. It's a grade school, but $130. I'm telling you, man, you rarely ever see these really heavily discounted. 8.5 Gamma Force right here. Look at the price on these. Wow, $48, 30 off on top. Pegasus Plus right here, size 8.5, $90. Metcon 9 right here, $65. Vaporfly Next Percent 3s. They got them in smaller sizes, size 5, size 6 right here, $179.99. These retail for $285, so not bad, especially with 30 off. Oh no, these retail for $260, my bad. Got a couple of these Jordan 4s right here, $150. Oh, another size 6. I was like, I saw it over here in the bigger size section. All right, let's move on to the aisles right here where we see dunks, and more dunks. These are a canvas one right here. Okay. Got some blazers, some mids, Kill Shot 2, Nike Calm slides, another one of those, some Benassi slides right here, Air Max 270s, going for retail prices, Air Max DNs, all black right here, couple more Dunks, D6000, pretty solid price, and then some Vomeros. That's pretty much about it for the women's. All right, let me pay for this, and then I'm gonna go next door. I'm gonna hit up the Ross because I haven't hit up Ross in forever. So yeah, let me pay for this and go to Ross. Came out to $25, 25 bucks plus tax. Pretty much free. When sneakers are under 20, 25 bucks, I just say they're free. All right, we do have a Ross next door. I'm so curious to see if any of these Rosses have had anything lately. I feel like it's been like a month. It's been about a month since I've been to these Ross. What's this right here? They got a Nike soccer jersey, North Carolina. Is that North Carolina? MLS jersey? I don't know. 20 bucks though. 20 bucks for that medium. Notre Dame t-shirt right here. This is an XL. $17. All right, apparel wise, doesn't look like much has changed. Apparel, pretty mediocre. All right, hopefully we can find some dope sneakers here. There's some Jordan Deltas right here, size 13. $83 for those. Get that out of here. Got some super heavy Vans going for $35. Are these what I bought just now? 50 bucks here though. I got it at a better price. Lunar foams right here. Some Nike, $60. These the Fendi Puma suedes right here, $35. Some Adizeros. These have Light Strike Pro in it. So major running shoe, 28 bucks. Not bad. Not bad. Hoka slides right here, $25. These are size 11. First time I've seen these at Ross. Bigger sizes. They got some Witness right here going for $50. What are these Hokas right here? Arahis. I don't know what the hell are these. 100 bucks for these. Dang, that's it though. That's it for the men's section. Moving over to the women's section. Got more Hoka slides right here, size 10. $25 for these Hoka slides. That seems like such a good price. Seems really comfortable. That looks like the same midsole as the Cliftons, dude, which is pretty crazy. Got Vaporfly Next Percent 3s right here. I just saw these over there at Nike, and it was way more. 80 bucks here. A Pure Boost with the Light Boost. I think Light Boost is more dense than regular Boost. $50 here. More of these Hoka Arise go for 90 bucks. Infinity Run 4, smaller size 7.5, 50 bucks. That's a hell of a price though. More of these Fendis right there. Another one right here. Another Fenty, 6.5. So it seems like bigger sizes and smaller sizes they got stuff, but nothing in the middle. I think that's it, you guys. That's it. Make sure you guys subscribe, like the video, do all that good stuff. We out, man. We out. Blazers for $55.